Use your smartphone as a remote control in 3 easy steps with ShareSmartTV. First, open the app on your smart device. Then, navigate to ShareSmart.tv on your computer or smart TV. And finally, click on Synchronize and enjoy. ShareSmartTV allows you to easily control any type of website. Your remote will adapt to the type of content you're viewing. Whether you're watching a video, playing music, buying a product, or reading an article, ShareSmartTV has got you covered. Enjoy experiencing the web in a whole new way thanks to ShareSmartTV.